What's up YouTube, Mike here with a quick video, and this is just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Now the whole reason I ordered this phone was so I could actually compare it to this, the iPhone SE 2020. Now I would show you a comparison right now, but as part of my review for the iPhone SE, I'm actually recording this video on the iPhone SE. So the sound's going to sound a little different, and the video may look a little different as well, but the mic is coming from the internal mic of the iPhone SE. So if I don't sound as clear as I usually do, that's why. So let's unbox this thing. So like I said, I bought this because I think this is a better alternative to the iPhone SE if you just want a compact phone, but you don't want to break the bank, because you can currently get these on Amazon for between $300 and $400 renewed, and if you get it from Samsung Direct, you can get it brand new for about $350 if you've got an older phone to trade in. And they're going all the way back to like an iPhone 6s Plus, they'll give you $254, and all the way back to S7s. So quite the bargain. But I can already tell right now that form factor, it actually looks like it's about the same size as the iPhone SE, but let's set this down. So in the box with this, of course, you get a charger which supports fast charging. You get a little OTG cable, and then you get the charging cable, and you get headphones, the AKG, that are tuned by whoever. But these are actually normal headphones, because this phone does have a headphone jack. So we're going around this thing. Like I said, you got your volume rocker, your power button, and I believe this is a Bixby button, but the power button also has a built-in fingerprint scanner. This thing does have a headphone jack and then a USB-C. And it's got a built-in screen protector, is what Samsung does, so I'm going to leave it on there. But that is just a quick unboxing. I'm really excited to try this because I want to compare it to the iPhone SE. So if you want to catch that video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you also hit that notification bell. Like I said, this was just a quick unboxing of the S10e, just so I can compare this to the iPhone SE. So thanks for watching.